What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to disable Snapchat calls, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So let's say you are getting annoyed by the Snap calls and you just want them to disable. Just want them disabled, or basically you don't want people from Snapchat calling you who do not have your number. So there is a really easy way to do it. So as you can see, unfortunately there's no way to stop specific people from calling you on Snap. What you can do is stop everyone from calling you by disabling microphone and camera permissions to Snapchat. However, disabling camera permission will also lock Snapchat out and not let you use it. So basically the best comparison they found to Snap calls is to mute the notification temporarily. You will still receive calls, but they won't bother you at all. So what you can do, basically you can put your phone on silent mode, mute a specific user on Snapchat, disable the camera and microphone permissions on Snap, or disable the ring option in the Snapchat notification settings. So some of the solutions on this list are easier to implement than others. So basically I'm gonna teach you how to do this fourth step, disable the ring option in the Snapchat notification settings. So when you're on Snap, just go to the upper left corner of the screen on your avatar icon and just go to the upper right corner on this gear wheel, which are settings. Then just proceed to select notifications and then scroll all the way down where it says ring. Your device will ring when you receive audio or video calls on Snapchat. Just turn that off and you will no longer be bothered by the Snap calls. So basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.